Are you tangled in the web of inventory management? Choosing the right tool could change everything. inFlow Inventory and Zoho Inventory both offer unique features tailored for different business needs. inFlow is renowned for its ease of use, perfect for newcomers to inventory software. With inFlow, you get a comprehensive system that increases productivity while presenting only the essential details. Manufacturers love inFlow, as it allows seamless assembly while tracking stock and components. Imagine scanning products or making stock adjustments, all accessible within just a few taps on your mobile device. On the other hand, Zoho Inventory impresses with deep customization options that suit tech-savvy users. However, unlocking Zoho's potential requires time and expertise due to its modular design and hidden core features. For users needing to track batches and variants, Zoho offers functionalities tailored to those specific requirements. Ultimately, if you prefer user-friendliness and an all-in-one solution, inFlow is the route to take. Explore its potential today.